Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you a few tips on how to end your school year smoothly. So it's the end of the school year and you're probably not as excited as you were in the beginning of the school year when you had your fresh plan and your new curriculum. And now you're probably just dragging your feet, just trying to get through the rest of the curriculum and trying to finish it. So here are a few tips that I have. First tip I have for you is to keep your routine. Continue with your morning basket or your morning chores or however it is that you were starting your morning off the rest of the school year so that your kids don't know that you're feeling like you're in a homeschool rut. Tip 2, keep it light. Allow your kids to play their math games on their tablets or on the computer. They can go on Khan Academy and finish up their courses there for free online. Or you can pick up a math game like Math Prodigy, which is also free online actually, and have them do their coursework through there. You guys can do board games, you guys can do different kinds of fun schooling activities. If, for example, with my son, he's already finished all of his curriculum, but I want him and my daughter to be doing stuff through the month of May because she isn't done, and so I have him doing his math game for fun. He's still reading. He's just doing a lighter course load than he was during the rest of the year. Tip 3 is to make a list of all the things that you think that your children need to improve on or practice over the summer, and consider making a morning binder for them to do over the summer. If you don't homeschool year round and you don't want to homeschool year round like I don't want to do this year, I instead want to have an actual vacation. You can check out my video here for the homeschool rut and why we're taking off. So what you can do is just create a morning binder, which I'm in the process of doing, with all the concepts that I want my kids to brush up on over the summer. So what they'll do for about 10-15 minutes every morning before we start our day is do their morning practice in their binders, and that'll be their schooling for the day. Stay tuned for a video on how we're going to do our summer schedule and what kinds of activities we will be doing, and I'll also show you the morning binders at that time. Also make sure at the end of the year that you start to gather all of your things that you would need to do your portfolio evaluation if you were not doing testing. Gather all of your materials as they're still in school. That way you can start getting things before you put all of your books away after they're done their school. I will also be creating a video on what kind of testing to choose and what for the end of the year evaluation. Also make sure that you schedule in advance your homeschool evaluation. Make sure that you know what date it is that you guys started homeschooling so that you don't run into a later time and past that date, and then you'll have to deal with the school district and them unregistering your child for homeschool or whatever the case may be. Make sure that you take note of that date, schedule your evaluations ahead of time. And my last tip is to make a list of all the final things you want to teach them for the last month or few months or few weeks of school. Make sure that you focus on those concepts and those topics so that you can feel better when you know that you've completed all those things that you wanted them to learn. Hope you guys enjoyed those little tips. If there's other things that you guys do to wrap up the end of your year, leave them in the comments below. Make sure you browse through my channel for my playlists on homeschool curriculum, the good and the beautiful curriculum, day in the lives of our family as we homeschool, getting to know us vlogs, and Toddler Preschooler Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.
And you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it.